Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Poppy Keep Sorry, abnormal behavior has been detected by the system, failure to invite friends. First step is use a different device or network. Try accessing the invitation link from a different device or network to avoid triggering security measures. Step 2. Clear browser's cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve issues caused by stored data. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it, as it might be causing the issue. Last step is contact Shein support. If the problem persists, reach out to Shein's customer support for assistance. And that's basically it.